Hello everyone. Today we're doing TryHackMe's Cryptosystem, capture the flag. So this is the description for the room. It says today we intercepted a communication between Cypher and three associates, Rivest, Shamir, and Alderman. Uh, we were only able to retrieve a file order, get the secret key from the recovered file. So it's using RSA, hence the RSA. And what this is doing, I have it broken down right here. So this is a breakdown of what the script is doing. It's the function is uh, in, and one checks if in is odd. So right here, then if it is odd, it adds 2. If in is even, it adds 1. Now in is the next odd number. Then it keeps adding 2 until it finds a prime and then returns the prime. So this creates the prime number by 1024 bits, and then this gets the prime number after p in the function, and it says multiply the 2 primes, and you get the public key. This big number in is the public key. Everyone sees in. Nobody is supposed to see P and Q, but because Q is the next prime after P, we can figure them out. The public exponent, this finds the private key, so D equals inverse E times this function or this equation. So this line finds the private key, E is the lock number, D is the unlock number. So you calculate this number. If this number used to calculate the unlock number, inverse. So this means find the number that undoes E. That number is D. This line encrypts the flag. So flag encode turns the text into bits. Bits too long turns those bits into a big number. And then POW message E and in encrypts the message using the public key, and the result is C, the ciphertext. This is the encrypted flag we're given. So this is just a quick breakdown of what it is. So to reverse this, this is the script. It does the opposite of that. You can full screen this, take a screenshot, select everything within the, after the numbers, obviously you don't want to get the numbers in your text extraction, and then just do extract text, and then you'll have this, and then you'll just fill in C and in for C and in, and then this is a description of what that script is doing. So it's just doing the same thing right here. It only really starts changing when it's down here. So it says X is the prime X is also the prime. This equals in, and then once this happens, you get P equals X, Q equals the prime of X, and then find the private key. So it's just this equation again. And once it finds that, it decrypts the flag doing the inverse of the functions and results the final flag. So if we just copy this for C, put that right here, and then get in. So we'll just run that, and you get the flag right here. This is the decrypted of the flag. Right. So for the, I didn't put down the question of the room, but the answer of the flag is, what they ask for is that. That's the end of the walkthrough. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions or requests, hit me up. Peace.